Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shubhratira2, and today I'm gonna show you that how to make a simple water boiler or water heater at home without any nichrome wire. So guys, in this project I will not use any kinds of nichrome wire or any kinds of heater elements or heater wires. I will use only two sharp razor blades and some other components. So this project is going to looks like this. It's a wooden bead, and here are the two sharp razor blades and a 2-pin plug, a multi-plug board, and a glass of normal water. So let's get started. So for this project I'm going to first test it, and now you can see that what's happening inside this glass. The water is boiling. Yeah, the water is boiling easily without any nichrome wire, and it's of course over than 100 degrees Celsius. So fine, now let's get start this project. So for this project you will need two sharp razor blades, a wooden bead which will looks like this, a 2-pin plugged. You can cut it off by any power suppliers. Then you will need a hot glue stick, a hot glue gun, a multi-plug board, a glass, and some water. So let's get started this project. So for making this project, first you will need two sharp and new razor blades, and here are they. So first you have to open the blades carefully. Here's the one and the another one. So our blades are ready, and then you will need a 2-pin plug which you can buy from your local electronic shops, and you can cut off by any power suppliers at your home. So first look at this plug, and you will have to see the two wires, one positive and the other one is negative. So the red wire is the positive one and the other is the negative. So first you have to attach the positive wire with this sharp razor blade. Joint it very carefully. So friends, here is it. I have joined the both wires with the both blades, you can see, and then you will need a wooden bead, and next you have to cut two slits from this wooden bead which will looks like this, and then enter the hot glue stick into the hot glue gun, and next attach the two blades one by one into the slits of this wooden bead. you can stick it with hot glue. So friends, after applying hot glue, your project is ready now. So then it will looks like this. So now the project is already complete, and now it's time to check it. So for check this, you will need a glass and half glass of water. You can use any water, drinking water or any other water for this experiment, and then you will have to plug it with the multi-plug board. So here is it, and now carefully, even very carefully, drown this whole project into this glass, and then open the switch, and now you can see that the water is boiling. Oh yeah, it's boiling, it's working. And look at this, it's completely boiling, and it's highly harmful to your skin. The temperature is over than 100 degrees Celsius, you can see, and it will boil very quickly. So now it's off, and you can see that the blades are not looking well. So friends, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and you will get all the notifications from my channel. Bye.